Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best bike oil is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining your bicycle's performance and longevity, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride every time you hit the road or trail. Choosing the right lubricant can significantly impact your bike's shifting, braking, and overall drivetrain health, preventing premature wear and tear on expensive parts. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect bike oil tailored to your riding conditions and bike type, so you can keep your two-wheeled companion in top-notch condition and enjoy every pedal stroke with confidence and ease. Number 5. Finish Line 1-Step Cleaner and Lubricant 4 ounces. Introducing a revolutionary product that cleans and lubricates your bike chain in a single, effortless step. It flushes away old grime and leaves a smooth, protective layer. This versatile solution is effective on all types of chains, whether they're clean or dirty. It provides reliable rust protection, even in harsh coastal conditions. Experience a smooth and quiet ride with its wet-style lubricating film. It helps reduce wear on your drivetrain, ensuring a consistently smooth pedaling experience. Perfect for travel or long-term storage, this product safeguards your chain and metal components. It effectively shields them from moisture and corrosion. Get back on the road quickly with its fast and easy application. Enjoy a clean, lubricated, and protected chain with minimal effort. What we like. This product offers a fast and easy way to clean and lubricate your bike chain in a single step. It works on all chain types and provides rust protection. If you're looking for a quick and effective solution for routine maintenance, especially if you ride in coastal areas, this is a great choice. What people say. The oil has a good viscosity and provides excellent lubrication for the bike chain. It effectively reduces friction and wear, extending the life of drivetrain components. The formula is designed to resist washout from water and dirt, ensuring performance in various conditions. Number 4. WD-40 Specialist Bike Chain Lube. Ready to hit the road or trail? This easy-to-use lubricant will get your bike ready to go. It's the perfect size to keep in your toolbox for any adventure. Experience the difference of a professional-grade formula. It has been extensively tested by scientists, retailers, and mechanics to ensure top performance. We believe in essential bike maintenance for all riders. That's why we set up hands-on wash stations at local bike events globally. Keep your chain performing optimally for longer. This lubricant contains corrosion inhibitors for long-term protection, ensuring a fast and clean bike. This no-wax formula prevents friction damage and extends chain life. It won't build up inside your chain or drivetrain, so you can trust it in any weather. What we like. This chain lube is designed for all conditions and includes corrosion inhibitors to protect your chain long-term. Its no-wax formula prevents buildup and extends chain life. If you ride in both wet and dry conditions and want a reliable, professional-grade lube that won't gunk up your drivetrain, this is the one for you. What people say. The oil provides excellent lubrication for the bike chain, reducing friction and wear. It has a long-lasting formula that keeps the chain protected for extended periods. The viscosity of the oil is just right, allowing for easy application without being too runny or too thick. Number 3. Finish Line Ceramic Wet Bike Chain Lubricant. Experience the next level of cycling performance. This advanced lubricant is engineered to excel in every riding condition you encounter. Its unique ceramic coating provides superior protection. Nanoplatelets create a durable layer on your drivetrain, ensuring longevity and smooth operation. Ride with a clear conscience. Our formula is inherently biodegradable, minimizing its environmental impact after use. You can use it with confidence. It contains no harmful toxins, carcinogens, or VOCs, making it safe for both you and the planet. Don't let the elements hold you back. This fully waterproof lubricant resists water and mud, perfect for any cycling discipline. It's designed for the demands of racing. Whether on the road, track, or trail, it ensures your bike performs at its best. What we like. This advanced racing lubricant features a ceramic coating for superior protection and performance. It's also biodegradable and fully waterproof, making it ideal for tough conditions. If you're a serious cyclist, a racer, or frequently ride in mud and wet weather, this lube will help you achieve peak performance. What people say. The oil has a good viscosity and provides excellent lubrication for the bike chain. It effectively reduces friction and wear, extending the life of bike components. The formula is designed to withstand high temperatures and resist washout in wet conditions. Number 2. Clenzoil Chain and Sprocket CLP Kit. This is a complete kit designed to clean, lubricate, and protect your chains and sprockets. It includes everything you need for simple, organized care in one compact setup. Our formula goes on wet to penetrate and loosen dirt, then dries to a protective layer that resists attracting grime. It keeps your chains smooth and rust-free without buildup or mess. It's suitable for more than just bike chains. Use it on sprockets, derailleurs, and other components to reduce wear and keep them moving freely in a wide range of conditions. Built-in corrosion inhibitors shield metal parts from water, salt, and humidity. This helps extend the life of your drivetrain while reducing friction and squeaks. With decades of experience in metal care, our brand is veteran and law enforcement owned and proudly American. Every bottle reflects a commitment to performance and reliability. What we like. This is a complete kit designed for easy chain cleaning, lubrication, and protection. It applies wet but dries with a clean finish, resisting grime and rust. If you appreciate an organized, all-in-one solution for maintaining your chain and other components, and want a product that performs well in various environments, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. This oil provides excellent lubrication for my bike chain, reducing friction and wear. The viscosity of the oil is perfect for both hot and cold weather conditions, ensuring smooth gear changes. It has a long-lasting effect, meaning I don't have to reapply it as frequently as other brands I've tried. Number 1. EPIX All-Purpose Bike Chain Lube. Introducing the EPIX All-Purpose Bike Chain Lube, your ultimate solution for a smoother ride. This advanced synthetic oil is proudly made in the USA. It effectively loosens and removes grime while leaving a protective coating on your chain and drivetrain. Experience a cleaner, better performing bike. Our convenient 4.0-ounce bottle features a no-spill twist cap for clean and simple application. It's designed for your convenience on the go. Apply a thin coat to your cables for more efficient shifting and braking. Enjoy a more responsive and controlled cycling experience. This lubricant protects against wear and corrosion in all conditions, wet, dry, dirty, or dusty. It repels moisture, ensuring optimal performance year-round. It's perfect for your entire drivetrain, including derailleurs, cables, brakes, and bearings. Keep all your cycling components in top condition. What we like. This all-purpose bike chain lube cleans, lubricates, and protects against wear and corrosion. Its easy-to-use design and ability to improve shifting make it a versatile choice. If you're looking for a single product that handles multiple maintenance tasks, including making your shifting smoother, and works well in all riding conditions, this is a perfect fit. What people say. This bike oil is great for keeping my engine running smoothly. I noticed a significant improvement in my bike's performance after using this oil. The oil has a good viscosity and provides excellent lubrication. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.